Hello, my name is Mark. I am from the Southern Asian Pacific Division of the Seventh day Adventist Church, and today I will be presenting to you a tutorial and guide for our new upcoming event, the Hope Center. So, this series will be split between two videos. This first video talking about registration, and the second video talking about adding that Hope Center. So, without further ado, let us begin. Go to any browser on any device and look for this link findinghope.asia. It should lead you to this page. On this page, you should see the button Start a Hope Center Today. Click that. If you're deciding to register as a host, this should be the page you should be seeing. Click full name and fill out your details. Same with the rest. Just click these and fill these out. Don't worry about your information being shown to the public. This is a personal profile for now. That other public information will come later. So let's just go ahead and fill these. I already have an account, but I will still go through this with you. So make sure to put in for your phone number, make sure to put in your area code as well. This will be important. Well, if it would let me. Yes. Put in an email you use, some password, anything, just make sure it's secure. And make sure they match. Put in your country. And here in the Union Mission Conference and church name, make sure to remember this, as this information will be important, will come later. Or if you need help asking where you are, make sure you refer to the necessary people. For me, I am in Silang, Cavite, so I will use the Southern Luzon Philippine Union Mission. And once you click a union, it should generally show you which mission or conference that is under those. So for me, I will go with Cavite Mission. I will use one of the churches here in Silang. So I'll use 21 SDA Church, for example. Click the I'm not a robot CAPTCHA and then sign up. Hello. Very quickly, we are going to go over the actual verification process and what that's going to look like for you as a user who's registering. So, once you have filled all of your details, like so, click the I'm not a robot CAPTCHA. This is just a bit of a confirmation to make sure that you're human. We hope you are. So click that. You should see this check mark. And then when all of your details, when you've confirmed everything is correct, press sign up. And what's going to happen is at the top here, you're going to see account created. We've sent a verification email to whatever email. Please check your inbox to your account. So up here, I'm just going to go to my email very quickly, and I will wait for a response. So, one moment. Okay, so now I have received the email here for my confirmation. It may take a little bit of time. So, we're going to go ahead and click that. And you should see this email. Hope Center, verify your email. Thank you for signing up. Please confirm your email address to activate your account. This email link is valid for 60 minutes. Now, we're just going to go ahead and click that. And you're going to, this is a bug that will soon be taken care of. It's a work in progress, but it will say invalid verification token. And you might say resend your verification to your email to do that again. But at this point, you are actually already verified. The system itself has verified you. And this might be confusing. So for now, ignore this. Once you have clicked this button in your email, you are now verified. So go ahead and click this login at the very top here and just We're going to go ahead and just try to log in with the password we created. And there you go. You are logged in. So, yes, that verification trick will be a bit of an issue, but know that once you've clicked this button, you are verified and you should be able to now log in. So, that will be all from me. Thank you. But once you've gotten that confirmation that you've been verified, go to the login here, click this login button, and enter your email address and the password that you just made. So, we're going to go ahead and do that. And there you go. You should now be in this page, and we'll discuss more about Hope Center and adding it in the next video. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.